Hello everyone, I am Qazi Mujawwiz. Welcome to EdTech. Today we are going to learn how to remove the formulas and keep only the values. If I click any cell, it will show the formula, and like percentage and grade is having a formulas. If you want only the values, if you don't want these formulas, first click on the cell A1, then press Ctrl Shift End. It will select all the cells which is having formulas and values. Then press Ctrl C to copy the text. Then here we can use another shortcut to only keep the values, and it will remove the formulas. So press Ctrl Alt V. It will open a dialog box. Select the option values and click OK. Now if you click any cell, before we have seen that there was a formula here, but now it is only having a values. So this is the way how we can remove the formulas and keep only the values.